I have a Samsung Galaxy A72 here. I'm going to show you how to make the default location for your camera and photos to your SD card instead of the internal storage. Okay, so let me put it back on the default internal storage. So first thing is this: go ahead and open up your camera. You can click on the camera there, or a shortcut is double clicking the power button to bring up the camera. Then you want to go to camera settings, which is the gear icon on the top left hand side. Let's tap on that. Now you simply want to scroll down till we see storage location. Okay, go ahead and tap on that right there, and I get an option for SD card right here. If you don't get an option for SD card, then you need to reinsert your SD card, or you don't have it in there, or maybe it's corrupted. So now when I tap on SD card right there, now because there's an SD card now every time I take a photo or video, it's going to be saved directly to my SD card. So let me show you really quickly. Let's do a quick video here. Check 1, 2. I'll stop that, and I'll do a quick photo here. Right there. So that photo and that video is now saved to my SD card. Simply go to your photos gallery, which is right here. Let's tap on that. Let's tap on albums right here. Okay, now you should have a new folder here called camera, but you can see this is not the regular camera one. Okay, you can see that little picture of the SD card right there. That's where all of my that's where my SD card is here. So this is the folder where all the photos and videos go into after you put the SD card in. So there you go. Questions, issues, comment below.